Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Pravindra from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about why you should not use the Squarespace to create your affiliate page. But before we go further, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like the video, definitely, and the bell notification so that you can keep supporting us and so that we can keep creating great content for you. So are you ready? Let's begin. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about Squarespace, guys. And exactly what we're going to talk about is why you shouldn't use Squarespace for your affiliate page. For those who don't know what Squarespace is, I think if you are familiar with landing page builder, definitely there is a high chance you know what Squarespace is. Squarespace is actually a very famous website builder, a landing page builder. You can call it anything you want, guys, but they are very famous with their templates. They are professional looking templates, and they are very famous for e-commerce store. They do have a lot of functions for e-commerce store, and then they do have like a lot of crazy template for e-commerce store. So I know many e-commerce store, crazy big e-commerce store, which actually use Squarespace to actually build their whole website. But what are you talking about? Squarespace is so popular, then why you shouldn't use Squarespace for your affiliate page? And that's what we are going to take a look at today. So let's begin. So the first reason why you should not use Squarespace to actually do an affiliate page is because it can actually take you some time to get used to Squarespace. Personally, I think that I've used Squarespace. I don't know why I keep saying that Squarespace before. It's like a tongue twister. So Squarespace actually takes some time to get used to it because they do have a lot of function, especially when you're creating an e-commerce store. Personally, I have created an e-commerce store with Squarespace before, and it because of that particular functions, because of that particular variety of options that they have, it can actually take you some time to get used to it. It actually helps with a learning curve. And personally, I think if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, this learning curve can be a little bit time consuming. Not a little bit time consuming, guys, let me rephrase that. This learning curve can be crazily time consuming, guys, and it can actually make you can actually waste your time if you're not specifying on e-commerce store, or most of this option will not be useful for you. But you have to know this option in order for you to make a beautiful affiliate page, right? So since it's not useful for you and you're taking some time, you are literally wasting your time here. So if you, one of the main reason is that don't waste your time with Squarespace if you do not have anything like an e-commerce store. If you have an e-commerce store, definitely I would highly recommend you Squarespace, because I itself use Squarespace to actually create my e-commerce store. The second reason is that there is no refund for monthly payments with Squarespace. I would not say their pricing is expensive. Actually, they have a very nice and standard price. If you compare to the other competitors and everything, they do have a very nice standard price, guys. The price is actually very affordable. So that's one of their biggest advantage. But they do have a lot of complaints regarding refunds. They do not offer refunds for monthly payments at all. For annual payment, even the refund procedure is so hard to get. And trust me, guys, if for example, let's say Squarespace is actually your customer, right? They're actually your partners. You can actually call them your partners because you're using them to build your landing page. And you as a customer, if you are being played with your money and you want refund, because most of the landing page builders offer refund, guys. So if you go ahead and ask for refund from Squarespace and you don't get it, it will actually damage you emotionally a lot, because money plays a big role when it comes to affiliate marketing. Definitely you can actually go go ahead and do affiliate marketing without any money at all, but then money plays a big role for affiliate marketing as well. So speaking of that, when you're actually using Squarespace as the platform and there's no refund, it can actually damage you emotionally. And when you're damaged emotionally, trust me, it would be reflected in your results, your landing page, your ads, your offer page, the way you choose it, everything would be reflected. So end up you will be not getting good click rate, you will be not getting good CTR rate, you will be not getting good conversion rate, and that's something that we actually don't want. So the third reason why we don't want to use Squarespace for our affiliate network affiliate page is because there is no free plans available. I just told you, right, one of their biggest highlight is that they do have very cheap plans. Because I said it's very cheap, guys, there is no any free plans available. If you compare them, Squarespace direct competitors would be Wix. They do offer free plan. WordPress, they do have like only hosting, and then you can actually do everything else for free. A lot of builders have their free plan with limited features. That's really understandable because they want to make money as well, so they want you to go ahead and test the platform. So they give you a free plan with limited features, and then you can upgrade that free plan and get a paid plan and get more features. It makes sense fully. But then the Squarespace has not do not have even one free plan, so you can't test the platform at all. The only way for you to test the platform is go to YouTube, watch how to create a website with our landing page with Squarespace, and then learn from there. For you to experience yourself, you need to be paying money. And personally, I always recommend this to affiliate marketers who's just embarking in the affiliate marketing journey. I would always say, if there's a free option, definitely go ahead and try a free option, because initially you will be having a very low initial deposit for you to actually run your particular affiliate campaign. Especially if you're running it on the paid ad version, you would be needing to spend a lot on paid ads, and that's what I would highly recommend as well. Don't waste your money somewhere else. Waste your money, spend your money on ads, because that's where you will actually get your click rate, your click-through rate, as well as your conversion rate. So don't waste your money, and that is one of the reasons why we shouldn't use Squarespace at all, because there is no free plan, guys. Another reason why you should not use the Squarespace, and I would say this is actually the final reason, is because they do have a limited SEO customization. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer, you don't want to run ads, or you want to run ads indirectly, you want to have a good SEO as well. So with the Squarespace, it has very limited SEO customization, SEO what we called it, optimization, everything, guys. So they have a very limited features from that, even though they do focus a lot of email marketing and marketing tools and all that. But when it comes to SEO, it's very bad. I always prefer you to have SEO marketing as well. I don't know whether you watched this my videos in this channel previously or not. I always recommend you to do this. I always recommend you to combine both organic traffic as well as paid traffic together to get a much more optimized result. So regardless whether you're using a paid traffic method, you still need to concentrate on your SEO so that you will be generating organic traffic as well. It's very important, guys. It's not something which is easy to be done, but if you can combine both the organic method as well as the paid method for your campaign, you would be rocking, guys. Trust me, you would be rocking like crazy. So these are the reasons why you should not use Squarespace. But so if I don't use Squarespace, what else can I actually use? You can actually use a brand new software which was just launched recently called the Landerize, sorry. can I pronounce it Landerizer? I don't know, Landerize or Landerizer, whatever, guys. So this is actually a brand new software. I've actually attached the link of Landerize in the description of this video for you to go ahead and check it out if you're interested. About Landerize is that it is actually very nice in the sense of it caters one of the best thing that I always accept expect, sorry guys, that's the wrong word, expect from a page builder. I expect a page builder to have a landing page which loads fast, and usually all the page builder has landing page which loads very slow. But with Landerize, you can actually opt in to choose and upload your landing page that you have built over here with Amazon S3, where you can actually go ahead and have a very fast landing page, and this will definitely increase your click-through rate as well as your conversion rate indirectly. You can actually integrate Landerize with any external trackers, let's say Volume, Binom, ray track, or whatsoever, guys. They still apply the drag and drop usage, which is very simplified. Currently they have like 50 templates, and then I think they're going to increase the templates. I really hope that they increase the template because it's super good, guys. It's super easy. Personally, I have actually used the Landerize. You can actually use the Landerize as well, guys. Go to the description of this video, there's a link for Landerize like I told you before. Go there, guys. Once you go there, you can actually go ahead and create your affiliate page or landing page within minutes, guys. Trust me, I did it in less than 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. I've actually completed a landing page. But if you're a beginner, I would say 10 minutes is sufficient enough to create a highly optimized landing page with the Landerizer. Oh, Landerize, oh my god, I still get confused with the name. So few minutes is the best. The main reason why I love Landerize is because Landerize was created specifically for affiliate marketers. There's no any landing page builder that I know who does this. They usually do a landing page for sales funnels. They always do it for product. They don't do it specifically for an affiliate marketer. And Landerize is the only landing page builder which is focused to cater for affiliate marketers specifically, because it was created by a super affiliate marketer previously. So I think he understands our problem. He understands the way that we look at a landing page builder and what we expect from the landing page builder. So that's why he created Landerize, guys. Personally, I'm really satisfied with Landerize. You can go ahead to the link in the description below and check out Landerize yourself. I don't think you'll regret, guys. I think you will love it as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. We have reached to the end of today's video. So before I end today's video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, guys. So thanks again for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.